Imagine someone walking through every front door in your neighborhood with a giant keyring, hoping one of them fits. That's exactly how credential stuffing works. Except instead of houses, it's your email, Netflix, or bank account. And that keyring, it's a list of billions of stolen usernames and passwords from massive breaches like RockYou 2024. If you reuse your passwords, no judgment, we've all done it, you might as well leave your digital front door wide open with cookies and milk waiting. Credential stuffing is fast, automated, and disturbingly successful. Let's break down the top 3 red flags to help you spot trouble before it rings your virtual doorbell. Red flag number 1, mysterious logins and account activity. Have you ever received an email that says a new login to your account from somewhere you've never been? That's not your memory failing. It could be someone else logging in as you. Credential stuffing thrives on reused passwords. Attackers use stolen credentials on hundreds of sites until something clicks. Once in, they might make unauthorized purchases, access saved credit card details, lock you out by changing your password, use your account to scam others. Case in point, one couple found that their Amazon account had ordered high-ticket items they never even saw. The culprit? Credential stuffers who used old leaked login details and exploited their lack of two-factor protection. What to do? Check your account login history regularly. Set up alerts for new device logins. If something feels off, change your password immediately. Red flag number 2, reusing passwords across multiple sites. Let's be honest, most of us have 1 or 2 go-to passwords. But once just one of those shows up in a data breach, credential stuffing bots get busy testing it everywhere. It's like handing your spare key to the entire internet. Enter RockYou 2024, a newly compiled list of 9.94 billion exposed passwords. It's the largest dump of plain text credentials ever recorded, and it's being used as cybercriminal fuel. How it works. Bots rapidly try combinations of leaked usernames and passwords. If your login works on one side, chances are it works on another. Attackers move fast to exploit before you even realize it happened. What to do? Use unique passwords for every account. Use a trusted password manager to keep track. No sticky notes, please. Regularly check if your credentials have been compromised. Visit haveibeenpawned.com. Red flag number 3, no multi-factor authentication, MFA. Let's say your password gets leaked. Bummer, but not the end of the world if you have MFA enabled. Without it, well, you just rolled out the red carpet for hackers. Multi-factor authentication acts like a digital deadbolt. Even if someone has your key, they still need your fingerprint, code, or magic word. No MFA equals no second barrier. Most ignored security settings. Despite being offered by banks, email services, and social media platforms, MFA is still not used by many. That's like having a bank vault but forgetting to shut the door. What to do? Enable MFA on all important accounts, especially email and financial services. Use app-based authentication, like Google Authenticator, instead of SMS when possible. If a service doesn't offer MFA, consider whether it's worth trusting. Final thoughts. Credential stuffing is here to stay. Credential stuffing isn't flashy, but it's brutally effective. It's automated, scalable, and doesn't care if you're tech savvy or not. All it takes is one reused password and poof, your digital identity could be in someone else's hands. Don't wait for the oops moment. Diversify your passwords. Enable MFA. Keep an eye on your accounts. Stay safe, stay secure, and if you need one more reason to finally ditch password 123 or QWERTY, let this be it. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.